Have you ever felt like you're leaving free money on the table with your investments? That was me a couple of years ago. I'd been using Wealthsimple for a while, just for simple investing, but I quickly realized I wasn't tapping into the actual power of their platform. I'm talking about stacking up their credit and referral perks to genuinely accelerate my portfolio growth. This isn't about shady exploits, it's about being strategic with their programs. I've learned 3 key hacks that maximize your money with Wealthsimple. Point 1. The power-up deposit for credit card boosts. If you're eyeing the Wealthsimple credit card, the initial cashback boost is where you need to focus. When I first got the card, the standard 2% cashback was good, but I knew the limited time, promotional 5% was the real game changer. The hack here is this. The 5% boost is often tied to a net new deposit or transfer of a significant amount, like $$100,000 or more, which unlocks the boost for a certain period, like 3 months. If you already have assets elsewhere, a GIC coming due, a non-registered account at another brokerage, transferring those in bulk right after you get your credit card can trigger this massive boost. The move is timing. Wait until you have a large, liquid sum available and then transfer it to your Wealthsimple invest or trade accounts right when you register for the boost promotion. This immediately qualifies you, and you get 5% back on all purchases up to a monthly cap. I maximized this by consolidating a few old accounts and paying for all my biggest annual expenses, insurance, software subscriptions, during that boosted period. That extra 3% cashback difference is pure profit and goes straight back into my investments. Point 2. Strategic referral stacking for new accounts. The second best hack is the referral program, but you need to know which accounts to prioritize. The standard referral bonus gives both the referrer and the referee a cash reward, typically $$25, for opening and funding a new account. The real key here is that each Wealthsimple product counts as a new first account for certain bonuses. For instance, if you've only had a trade account, you are still eligible for a new client offer when you open a managed investing account, and sometimes vice versa. My experience has been to use a friend's referral link to open the first account, say, Wealthsimple Trade, to get the initial bonus. Then, once I became the referrer, I found a partner or family member who was genuinely interested and had them open their trade account with my link, ensuring they funded it with at least $$1 within the 30-day window. Remember, the funding requirement is minimal to trigger the base bonus. If you can, target the current super referral promotions, which I've seen boost the referral amount even higher for the referrer. The money is deposited as cash, and you can immediately invest it, turning the bonus into a compounding asset. Point 3. Combining credit perks with status benefits. Finally, the best long-term strategy is tying your credit card use to your overall Wealthsimple status. Once your total assets with Wealthsimple hit the $100,000 mark, you unlock premium status. The hack here is twofold. First, premium status instantly gets you a lower management fee on your managed investing accounts. But second, it often unlocks even better perks on the credit card, like better foreign exchange rates or exclusive promotions that aren't available to regular users. It also qualifies you for the Visa Infinite Privilege Card, which has major travel and insurance benefits, and is usually reserved for a very high income bracket with other institutions. This isn't an instant hack, it's a goal. By focusing on growing your assets with Wealthsimple through automated deposits and strategic transfers, you hit that $$100,000 status milestone. Once I hit premium, the lower fees and elevated credit card benefits became permanent, passive savings, which are much more impactful than a one-time bonus. It shifts your relationship with the platform from transactional to truly beneficial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.